According to the State of the World Population Report 2017 of the UNFPA, the United Nations Population Fund, the lack of access for poor women to reproductive health services, including family planning, can weaken economies and jeopardize progress towards the first Sustainable Development Goal, namely eradicating poverty. Every year in developing countries, this situation results in 89 million unplanned births and 48 million abortions, putting women's health at risk and limiting their ability to enter or remain in the labor market and become financially independent. As part of efforts to address these development challenges, the First Ladies of the 6 SWID countries, the Women's Empowerment Initiative and the Demographic Dividend in the Sahel, recently participated in the launch of the media communication campaign in Abidjan for social and behavioral change.
Comme vous le savez, l'Union africaine a consacré.
As you know, the African Union has dedicated the year 2017 to the demographic dividend around the youth through the theme Taking Advantage of the Demographic Dividend by Investing in Youth. This initiative, which aims to strengthen the political dialogue and advocacy with our spouses for the achievement of the demographic dividend, is undoubtedly a strong signal to ensure that efforts will be made to achieve meaningful results. The empowerment of adolescents and girls is one of the essential links to achieve the demographic dividend. Young adolescent girls are the most vulnerable and too often face barriers related to our customs and traditions. Our governments and technical, social and financial partners are tirelessly investing in birth control through birth spacing, girls' education, and the fight against early marriages. However, the birth rate in our countries is still galloping, and teenage girls make a strong contribution to the fertility of our country. Our role has been to accelerate the decline in fertility, have access to family planning and increase the age of first marriage, invest in public health to reduce child mortality, and improve health systems, improve access to girls' education, empower women and promote gender equality, strengthen economic prospects through job creation, flexibility of the labor market, openness to foreign trade, savings and investment, and improving governance. The launch of the regional campaign mobilized in the Ivorian economic capital the high authorities of the SWID countries, namely Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso, Mauritania, Chad, and Côte d'Ivoire. In the presence of the First Ladies of these 6 countries, who reaffirmed their commitment to families and communities, the high-level meeting was a platform for exchanging information resources and awareness-raising materials for the various targets. It has also enabled the SWID themes to be better taken into account and promoted to decision-makers, the media, beneficiaries, and the population in order to give greater visibility to the actions of the World Bank, UNFPA, and their partners.
Dans le processus de mise en place et de développement du projet SWID,
in the process of setting up and developing the SWID project, we all recognize that the media campaign for social change of behavior is a great way to overcome obstacles. The goal, both regionally and nationally, is to create demand for reproductive, maternal, newborn, child, and nutritional health products and services, as well as their mass use with a focus on social and behavioral change and the empowerment of women and adolescent girls. This goal cannot be achieved without your involvement as mothers of the nations.
Cet objectif ne peut être atteint sans votre implication en tant que mère des nations.
Cette campagne régionale que nous lançons ce jour sera accompagnée par des campagnes nationales qui viseront les populations vulnérables.
This regional campaign we are launching today will be accompanied by national campaigns that will target vulnerable populations across multiple channels. These communication campaigns will go hand in hand with a series of interventions, empowerment within the communities. The success of the campaign and these interventions will be measured by reaching the key beneficiaries of the SWID project and by positive change in their environment, enabling women and girls to reach their full potential. This project, amounting to $205 million, or about 140 billion CFA francs, offers the opportunity to act together and identify together the types of interventions that are best suited and that will be able to deploy in the region in the coming years.
Et que l'on pourra déployer à plus grande échelle dans la région dans les années à venir.
With 330 million inhabitants, West Africa faces many challenges in terms of development and gender equality. The region continues to have the highest fertility rates in the world, of between 4 and 7 children per woman. School enrollment rates for girls in primary and secondary education remain relatively low. In addition, many factors such as early marriages, gender-based violence, and unwanted pregnancies continue to degrade the living conditions of the population, especially women and girls. Through the empowerment of women and girls, the SWEET project aims to make them key partners in social and economic development. The launch of the regional campaign helped define key messages for the population on project themes such as education, child marriage, reproductive health, family planning, and women's empowerment.
La réunion préparatoire de ce jour permettra à l'ensemble de nos pays.
Today's preparatory meeting will allow all of our countries to share the gains and lessons learned from the national communication campaigns, but also the lessons learned from the implementation for a few months already, the last month of the SWEET project. Populations, including community leaders, women's and youth groups, and even religious leaders, have warmly welcomed and expressed a strong interest in raising awareness about girls' education, marriages and early pregnancies, multiple pregnancies, reproductive health and family well-being, gender-based violence, and especially women's empowerment.
Les violences basées sur le genre et surtout l'autonomisation de la femme.
L'élément à retenir, je pense, est une orientation.
The key element, I believe, is an orientation of all national as well as regional campaigns on communication activities that drive, stimulate individual and collective awareness to motivate individual behavioral changes that will lead to change in social behavior. There are also some realities, some behaviors that are found throughout the SWEET interventions area within the 6 countries. The idea was that a regional campaign could strengthen national initiatives and boost this communication campaign.
A meeting of the SWEET Steering Committee was held on the margins of the event. It was attended by financial and technical partners, traditional and religious leaders, women, and the media. A roadmap for the media campaign for social and behavioral change could be broken down according to the 3 axes of the SWEET project. By promoting social and behavioral change, interventions will be expected to generate demand for maternal and reproductive health services and enhance women's empowerment.
Donc nous avons mis vraiment
We put 360 relays of religious leaders together. They reflected together, they developed persuasive arguments and formed a league of religious leaders and imams who work with our community relays, who worked with our doctors who work in the project as well as with teachers, professors and others. They are an important support for the religious and cultural side. People want to learn and be informed. And when we're not rightly informed, we cannot change our behavior. Women will therefore always have more children and will do much more housework because of the number of children they have and because they do not know that they have a choice with the modern contraceptive methods.
Là où on utilise des termes techniques un peu compliqués comme
when they use somewhat complicated technical terms such as the demographic dividend, the transition, we use simple terms to tell people not to complicate things and to tell them that the demographic dividend is an approach to fight against unemployment in the interest of our young people, in the interest of women and men. If we manage to convince them to go through the different stages, to meet the different challenges, we as religious leaders will learn together. The SWEET trains requires us first to better understand the issue before reporting to our people in order to avoid mistakes that will be difficult to fix then if it happens.
In a context where development is meant to be inclusive, in the context of both the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals and the African Union Agenda 2063, the mobilization of Abidjan must allow every individual, man and woman, to contribute to the emergence of countries and, in return, to benefit from the repercussions of shared prosperity. The different stakeholders will have to contribute to the changes of social behavior in an environment favorable to the development of girls and women in their respective countries by continuing the awareness beyond the launch of the project. They will also participate in the sustainability of the Swede in the Sahel and its extension to other areas of the world.
La partie la plus difficile est derrière nous. C'est vraiment les concertations, les consultations.
The most difficult part is behind us. It is really about the consultations, dialogues that have an agreement on everything. We have roadmaps. We know how to carry out a number of reforms, and in many countries, these reforms are very well underway. The appropriate policies are on the being set. The programs are working. We have mobilized the actors. The contracts are with civil society. So I believe that today we are on the right track. We must simply ensure that there are stoppage on the resource and that countries are already preparing for the next phase of the project and also for the replication of the project in other parts of the world. I'm confident because the different stakeholders are satisfied and we do not change a winning team.
Des progrès que nous avons faits, donc je crois qu'on ne change pas une équipe qui gagne.
The success of the initiative depends to a large extent on the success of demand generation interventions through the enhancement of women's economic empowerment, girls' education, as well as the promotion of the use of services, reproductive health based on human rights. The involvement of political leaders, first and foremost the heads of states and first ladies, should be a major focus of the communication strategy for social and behavioral change, with a view to promoting the capture of the demographic dividend.